Hello everyone, my name is Ragini. I am career companion institute. Today is my presentation. My presentation topic is retail. Now let's see about the retail. Now we talk about the definition of retail, retail function in distribution, types of retail, 7 P's of marketing retail, or types of goods or consumer right. Definition. First we know about that where does the retail word come? Retail word come from the France word retailer. Retailer means break the bulk. Break the bulk means you have to give the product after the dividing of the product to give the consumer. First, we a definition about the retail. Retail is the last stage of the moment where the consumer gets the product or service through the shopkeeper. It's called the retail. If you go to a local store and get the product and pay by payment and take the service of the product, you will be the retailer. It means you have to play the retail role in the marketing. So there is some similar words from the retail is retailing or retailer. Let's talk about the retailing. Retailing is the process of the business going through the shop is called the retailer. If you go to the shopkeeper and ask for the goods, so you have to go to the shopkeeper store. So that is called the retailing. Let's talk about the retailer. Retailer is a businessman that sells the good to the consumer and consumer use it. Retailer is basically a person that is shopkeeper. Let's talk about the function distribution in retail. There is 4 distribution in retail. First is manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, and consumer. Let's talk about who is manufacturer. Manufacturer, the person who makes the product by the help of raw materials, labors, and by machine. Who basically makes the product, and the wholesaler is the person who takes all the goods through the manufacturer and sells to the retailer. A retailer is a person who have a shop and who take all the products from the wholesaler at the low price and sells to the consumer at the higher price. A consumer is the last person who take the goods from the retailer and use it. Let's talk about types of retailing. Retailing types of retailing. There is mainly types of retailing. First is organized retailing, and second is unorganized retailing. Organized retailing is the modern version of retailing, and unorganized retailing is the traditional version of retailing. And in the organization retailing, there is a wide range of products, and unorganization retailing has a less small wide of range of products. And let's talk about their employees. In organizing retail has educated employees and also qualified employees. But in the unorganized retailing, there is a not a very much educated person, also not a qualified professionally hired person. And for this, I have best example. Like in Nagar, there is a very famous shop called that you seen in Reliance store. It is known as a organized store. If you enter the store, you see there is a range of products in the rake, and also set the very मतलब अच्छी तरीके से सेट रखते हैं कि ये वाली चीज यहाँ पे, वो वाली चीज कॉस्मेटिक डेली यूज की चीजें. Have a counter where they list the product by using the different instrument like printer, scanners, monitor, and also provide you the basket or trolley to carry your product. And also staff comes to you and ask about your need of what product do you want to need, and then also solve your problems as well. But in unorganization retailing, there is a in Ayanagar there is called Deepak store, very famous in the Ayanagar for the general store. In their Deepak store, if you enter, you see there is a 4 to 3 people who work under the shopkeeper and give you when you enter in the shop, you see there is all product is messy, and for the billing they use the pen and calculator and also gives you the product that you want. That is the difference between organization retail and unorganized. Now talk about 7 P's of marketing. That is very important if you want to come with a product in the market that you have to learn about the 7 P's of marketing. That is very important in the retail marketing. First have product. If you product means how you satisfy consumer with your project. Like there is in India there is very types of toffees like melody, caramelized types of toffee. They just taste like a sweet. But if you notice, there is a pulse, like pran jai, but pulse na jai, wali toffee. If you taste this toffee, the taste of the toffee is like a chatpata taste because the company of pulse toffee will be go to the every part of the India, like north part of the India, south part of the India, west part of the India, or east part of the India. Then collect the one thought that everyone does not like the sweet toffees. There is some like chatpata toffee. That's why they make the pulse toffee. That's why the pulse toffee is the different toffee from the other toffee. That is the main reason that product is very important in this 7 P's of market. And second is our price. If your price is too high for the product and consumer do not have ability to purchase your product, that means your product is failed in the marketing line. And third is about promotion. Promotion plays very important role in the marketing. If your promotion is, if you know the where do you want to promote your the product, about in which channel or which newspaper, then your product automatically get the customer. So whenever if ये आपने कभी भी देखा है कि BMW कार और लंबरगिनी कार की एड आती है टीवी पे? हमने टीवी पे कितने सारे ऐड देखते हैं, पर कभी भी ये नहीं देखा कि लंबरगिनी और BMW जैसे कार्स का लॉन्च टीवी पे क्यों? क्योंकि why? Because company do not waste their money to advertising in the TV because they know कि middle class family watch the TV, they do not buy their cars, but rich person do not have the time to watch TV. That's why they do not give these things on the TV. They only use the magazines and newspaper to advertise their cars. And for this place is very much important. If your place is located in market, then you automatically get the result of the good consumer. But if your product place is not good, then you will pro- not get the profit. So Sam, with this people who help, like your employees. If your employees is good and support you, then your product automatically goes to high. Third is packaging. Packaging matters a lot. If your product packaging are different, then you will be get the response. Like if you see that there is a very much juice companies, like juice company carries the container, they contain with the box, triangular box to sell their juice. But there is a paper board whose shape is different from the others, that automatically makes the different or unique look, also attract the people to buy it. Now seventh is processing. Processing of the product is very important. If you process your product with good safety and deliver to the customer with your better opinion, better things, then you will also get the processing. Types of good that you got, there is good means not a good wala good, like there is good means product wala good. There is a four type of product basically, like tangible, intangible, impulse or emergency goods. Tangible goods are those goods who we can be touch and feel and also eat, like our daily grocery shopping items. And intangible goods are those goods who can we only feel but touch or do not cannot eat these things. For example, there is best example like insurance of car, health insurance, bike insurance. These are come in intangible goods. Impulse goods. Impulse goods are those goods who you buy without any planning. मतलब आपने कोई भी प्लानिंग नहीं की फिर भी आपने खरीदा क्यों? जब आप किसी भी शॉपिंग मॉल में जाते हो और काउंटर के पास वेट करते हो, आप देखते हो कि काउंटर पे बहुत सी चीजें रखी होती है, आप वेट करते करते आपकी नजर उन पे पड़ती है, आप जाके उस प्रोडक्ट को आपको मन तो नहीं करता पर फिर भी आप ले लेते हो. दैट इज कॉल्ड इम्पल्स गुड. इमरजेंसी गुड्स आर दोज गुड्स that you want to buy in emergency time. Like if you want to buy a medicine, then it comes in emergency goods. Now there is consumer right. We all are the consumers, so we aware about the what is our right. First is right to safety. अगर आपके साथ कोई भी दुकानदार बिजनेसमैन आपको जबरदस्ती कहता है कि आपका प्रोडक्ट ले लो और उसकी वजह से आपको कोई भी नुकसान होता है, तो आप राइट टू सेफ्टी का इस्तेमाल करके कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में जाके एक्शन ले सकते हैं। फिर आता है आपका राइट टू चूज। राइट टू चूज, देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ वैरायटीज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट by there's lots of varieties of product that you can choose it, like by your opinion that product you like you can choose it. Do not आपको शॉपकीपर की बातों में नहीं आना कि आपको वो कह रहे हैं कि ये ले लीजिए मैडम तो आपको ये लेना और ये नहीं लेना, आपको जो अच्छा लगे आपको वो लेना। फिर राइट टू बी हियर। राइट टू हियर में आता है if any complaint regarding to any product, so you can also go to the consumer court and get the action of the right. Basically you represent yourself कि अगर आपके साथ कोई भी दुकानदार कोई भी हाई रेट पे सामान बेचता है और वो सबके साथ बदतमीजी से बात करता है और कोई एक्शन नहीं ले रहा, तो आप इसका राइट टू बी हेट का इस्तेमाल करके कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में जाके उससे भी कर सकते हैं बात। और फिर आता है राइट टू बी इन्फॉर्म। आप जो प्रोडक्ट खरीदना चाहते हैं आपको इन्फॉर्म होना चाहिए कि उसकी क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी, प्योरिटी और स्टैंडर्ड और प्राइस कितना है, तब जाके आपको उसको खरीदना चाहिए। राइट टू बी सीक रेड ड्रेस मतलब है कि आपके पास कंफर्मेशन आना। अगर आप कोई भी जाके केस करते हो किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के खिलाफ, तो आपको उसके बदले में कोर्ट की तरफ से सही फैसला मिले और आपको कंवर्शन भी मिले साथ में। राइट टू बी एजुकेशन, you have the rights to educate about the peoples, about the products. If you go to the shopkeeper and ask about this product is how much, you have to be question to ask to the consumer like various questions. If you don't want to buy, then it's your all decision. Thank you very much. I hope this presentation helps you.